No one is meant to go through life alone. If life has given you blessings, it's important to share those with your community. The Word of God in Galatians 6 verse 2 says, "Carry each other's burdens, and in this way you will fulfill the law of Christ." Viewers, let us take a look at this file footage of Freeman Mokoena.
Ndini Freeman Mokoena uya kutenga makumbo na Prophet Magaya ndakakwanisa kufamba for 7 years.
I think the cheapest area to buy artificial legs is South Africa. Anyone with a rough idea how much they cost?
Angu ari kuita 72,000 ari 72,000 rands.
Okay.
We have Freeman Mokoena, 29 years of age. He got a bilateral amputation that was below his knees after a fatal train accident.
Now ndakwanisa kuzvitira zvinhu zvangu, ndakwanisa kuriritira mhuri yangu, ndakazowana mukadzi ndikarura, ndakatina mwana wedu 1 musikana. Now ndakufamba, ndakuita zvakanaka, zvinhu zvangu zviri kuendeka. Zvinhu zvedu zviri kuendeka chaizvo. Tinokutendai chaizvo Prophet W Magaya nezvamakandiitira muupenyu hwangu. Nine mhuri yangu tinokudai Prophet W Magaya.
Viewers all over the world, yes, this is Freeman Mokoena, 6 years later after the help from the man of God, Prophet W Magaya and the PhD Ministries partners. Now he is able to fend for his family with no trouble at all. Glory be to the God of our Father, Prophet W Magaya. Let there be light.